Hello friends, this video on linear equations in one variable part 6 is brought to you by examfear.com. No more fear from exam. That we will see in our next tip, that is tip number 2. So let's say whenever you have equations in the form of numerator by denominator plus numerator by denominator is equal to numerator by denominator. So when you have something of this form, in that case, what we do, we multiply both sides by LCM of denominators to get an equation in linear form. So things will become clear only when we take an example. So first of all, let us take an example in this form. Let's say x by 2 minus 1 by 5 is equal to x by 3 plus 1 by 4. So let's say this is our equation. So this satisfies the form. Okay, fine. Now let us try to find out the LCM. Now what would be the LCM of the denominators? What are the denominators here? So here the denominators are 2, 5, 3, 4. So if you find out the LCM of 2, 5, 3, 4, what would be the LCM? The LCM would come out to be 60. Just try to find out LCM of 2, 5, 3, 4. So you would get something like this. So 2 into 2, 4 into 3, 12 into 5, 60. Therefore the LCM would be 60. Now what you do? Multiply both sides by this LCM. So that means x by 2 into 60 minus 1 by 5 into 60 is equal to x by 3 into 60 plus 1 by 4 into 60. So we have multiplied everything, both the sides by 60. So this would be 2 into 30. So this would be 30x minus this would be 5 into 12, 60 minus 12. This would be 3 into 20. It would be 20x plus 4 into 15. So this would be 15. So now again we follow the same thing. Collect the variables on one side. So it would be 30x minus 20x is equal to 15 plus 12. Or we can say 10x is equal to 27. Or x is equal to 27 by 10. So x equal to 27 by 10 would be a solution for this equation. So here you see what the only thing that we need to do is first we need to find out the LCM. So once we have found the LCM, then the entire work becomes very easy. So these are the tips that you need to remember. So looking at the equation, first you need to decide what is the form of that equation, and then accordingly you have to take the first step. So now I am sure that you must be confident to solve such equations as well. So let's look at an example of one of these equations. So let's say you are given an equation like this: n by 2 minus 3n by 4 plus 5n by 6 is equal to 21. So this is of which form? Type 1 or type 2? So this is of the form type 2. So here we'll apply our tip 2. So in that case what we do, we have to find out the LCM of the denominators. So here the denominators are 2, 4, 6. So this is how we find out the LCM, and the LCM comes out to be 12. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. So now multiply both sides by 12. So our next step is multiply both sides by 12. So this would be n by 2 into 12 minus 3n by 4 into 12 plus 5n by 6 into 12 is equal to 21 into 12. So this is 2 6s are 12. So this is 6n minus this would be 4 3s are 12. So this is 9n plus 6 2s are 12. So this is 10n is equal to 21 into 12. So we keep it as it is as of now. So now this side we solve, it becomes 16n minus 9n is equal to 21 into 12, or this becomes 7n is equal to 21 into 12, or n is equal to 21 into 12 divided by 7. So 7 3s are 21. So this would be 12 into 3, that is 36. So x is equal to 36 would be a solution for this equation. So you see, solving them is pretty easy. You just need to understand which concept or which process you need to apply.
Thank you. Please visit examfear.com for free quality education. You can learn with a simple 4-step learning process wherein you can watch video lessons, you can ask your questions, you can refer notes, and you can take a free online test. We have content for class 6 to 12 on physics, chemistry, mathematics, and biology along with practical videos. So please subscribe to our channel for daily updates. Thank you.